Welcome to the HTML5 training videos. In this video, I am going to explain about the HTML browser support. What is the meaning of this one is actually our HTML5 is the latest version. Some computers are using older versions of browsers. At that time, our HTML5 website or HTML5 page is not opened on that browsers. For example, Internet Explorer 6 does not support our HTML5. So, for that purpose, we have some tips. On that, I will explain the first tip for that browser support. So, HTML5 defines the 8 new semantic elements. All these are the black level elements. So, what is the actually we know we have the some semantic elements. So these are the new to our HTML5. For example, header, section, footer, aside, nav, man, main, article, and figure. These are the new semantic elements. So whenever you are coding the web page at that time, mention that these are the header level, these are the block level elements. So for that purpose, we are creating the one CSS style on that header, comma, section, comma, footer, comma, aside, comma, nav, comma, main, comma, article, comma, figure. Here within the curly brackets we are putting the display colon block. So what is the meaning of this one? These all are the block level element. This is don't forget this tip. So always use one CSS property and that put this CSS value. Okay. Now and one more tip is there. So adding a new element into the HTML. Sometimes we are creating the new elements. For example, I am creating the Ramesh. So this is my. So I am creating the Ramesh is my new tag. Okay. So every tag is ended with the same notation. So these types are our newly created tags does not support in our HTML in older version of browsers. So that for that purpose, I will explain in the coding section this one. For example purpose, I am creating the one header, one HTML document, HTML5 document, and that we have the title is there, styling our article element or styling our Vikings website, Vikings Vijayawada. Okay. So after that I am creating the one style and that style is Ramesh display colon block, background color is this one and padding is 50 pixel and font size is 30 pixel. I am creating the one ID here and after that, so H1 welcome to Vikings and paragraph is my HTML5 training. Ramesh is please share this video to your friend. I want to create this Ramesh tag. Now observe the output of this document in our Firefox browser. So we got this this tag. Okay. So observe the code once again. This is Ramesh's ID. So Ramesh ID is taken into our HTML tag. Okay, Ramesh. Like this way we are creating the new HTML tags in HTML5 and our HTML also. Now I want to test this HTML file in our Internet Explorer 5 browser. Okay. So for that purpose, in my system I don't have that browser. So for that purpose I am using the netrender.com website. On that I am checking this one is the 5.5 and my file is uploading into the vnkTech.in site. Okay. So upload. This is my hosting account. This is recording to the vnkTech.in website. So I am browsing that file and that what is our file name is first jQuery.html. So I am renaming this one file, save as. In desktop I am saving that document into the HTML browser support. So sorry, I am saving it is into the index.html. index.html. This is the HTML5 document, so I am saving along with the extension is hypertext markup language. Save. Now observe the output, observe the file in our desktop. So this is our index file, no problem. Okay, now I am uploading that file into the my hosting account. So the file already exists in the server. Sorry for that one. Actually, I have the one index file is there. So I am renaming into the index1.html. Okay. Now I am uploading that file into our hosting account index1.html. So file is starting. File is completed. So I am back into the vnktech.in. So our file name is index.html. So I am copying that name. So index1.html. So cancel, and after vnktech.in use a / open our page index1.html. Okay, this is welcome to Vikings Vijayawada, my HTML5 training. So this is opened in our vnktech.in website. So I am copying that URL and pasting it into the our netrender.com site, and I am using the Internet Explorer 5.5 version and rendering that one. What is the drawback of this one here? Actually, our new element means Ramesh is the element, Ramesh is the tag. That tag is not supported in our Internet Explorer 5.5 version. So that purpose we have the one thing is there. So I am saving it into the again file, save as index1.html. Save as, replace this one, and after that so use the one script document.create element here. Create the element Ramesh. I am using the JavaScript here, using the document.create method, create element method. I am creating the element Ramesh. So save this document and run once. This is the second tip for the supporting the older browsers. Okay. Now, so again rename this one. Sorry, I am saving with the new name. So file, save as index2. This one is the index1 containing the problem index2.html. Now uploading that file into the my hosting account. So upload. So search for the index2.html and file is uploaded successfully. Going back to the my hosting account. Now I am searching the index2.html. So index2.html also working in our Mozilla Firefox browser. Now I am copying this URL, and actually here no one words it is renders correctly. Okay, Internet Explorer 5.5. So render, it is not working, I don't know. So okay, like this way we are supporting the new older versions of the browser. So check for the Internet Explorer 11 render, it was correctly because of after the 8 versions. So new versions all are the Internet Explorer 9, 10, 11 all are supporting our HT5. So now render this one HTML index1.html also supporting in the Internet Explorer 11, but in the 5.5 it is not rendering correctly. Okay, so I am checking with the Internet Explorer 6 also, it is not rendering, I think. And I am checking the 7 with the 7 render. So 7 also not supporting. In the 8th, so 8th also not supporting. 9th, after the 9th versions only it is supporting. Okay, thanks for listening. In the next video I will explain the third tip. Okay.